Well, hello there. It's Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, and today I am coming to you, just talking to you about my number one stock pick in this market. And it has something to do with this. No, it's not Apple stock. It's actually, believe it or not, Disney. The Walt Disney Company is my strongest recommendation for you to hold in your account. Just why? Now, right before I get into it, I'm going to tell you this. You don't have to take my advice, but I'm going to tell you the reasons I like Disney stocks, and I think you should actually hold on to it because it's going higher from here. The number one reason to own Disney stock is because of this phone. Now, I've been talking to you a lot about on my podcast about the idea of owning Disney stock because they are now going into the app business. What do I mean? They're about to launch their online video service, which is their version essentially of Netflix. Now, here's what I want you to remember, that the revenue at Disney is constantly rising on an annual basis and on a quarterly basis. Take a look at this 5-year chart. Now, one of the things you'll notice about this 5-year chart, there's nothing dazzling there until we get to, let's say, the last 3 months. And all of a sudden, in stock trader terms, Disney has broken out, as we would say, as traders. And it's going to go higher from here. I think in the next 52 weeks, somewhere between $150 a share and $200 a share, all because of this online network that they're launching through their app. Now, all marketers are trying to reach you and I through an app these days because rather than contacting you via email or ads, they want to be right here on your phone where you can open up their app and get their content. The Walt Disney Company is actually no different. It wants to be able to reach you in their app, and their subscription services are anywhere from $5 to, let's say, $7 per month, and their goal is to have 60 million subscribers. When? Within the next 3 years. Well, 60 million people multiplied by, let's say, $7 per month, how much money does that bring in? Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that top line revenue moves stocks higher. And it's for that reason that I would recommend that you start owning Disney shares. If you have none, just pick up 10 shares, follow the Wealthy Investor approach, build a position on the stock every time it moves $5 up. That way the stock will come to you and you won't overinvest in a company unless the stock price is actually going higher. Hey, I took the time to do this video because I really, really recommend Disney stock probably more than any other trader that you see out there. It's a relatively easy story to understand, and it's time for you to own it only if you plan on being financially free. I'm Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, and I'll see you in the next video.